Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video we are going to learn about Repurposing Hub. What is it and how it works? Let's dive into this video. Okay, so what does this Repurposing Hub do? This converts our already generated articles into multiple formats. Like we can convert our article into email, or we can convert our article into blog summary, or we can convert our article into Instagram carousel scripts, YouTube scripts, podcast outlines, or in Pinterest pins. And yes, we can also generate images along with Pinterest pins and for Instagram carousel scripts and for email as well. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, we need to select our article. We can search our article from here as well. Let's say I am going to search SEO. So you need to click on choose an article, because all our article will show under this tab. What is SEO? Or you can go directly with all your articles will be showing here directly, so you can choose directly article from here. And I'm going to do article what is vibe coding. I want this article to be converted in multiple formats. I'm choosing these formats one by one, and we'll be going all at once, generate format. And definitely this will take some time because we are doing all the 6 at the same time. So I am pausing this video and we will get back once it is generated. Okay, so we are back again. It took around 45 seconds. So here are our content. This is a YouTube script generated from our article, and yes, this script is in JSON format, so you can simply copy it and paste it in your video generator tool like VO3 or Sora, and it will create a video for you. And yes, you can also download this script in multiple formats, but I will recommend markdown formatting for this. You can also regenerate this script again if you don't like that, and you can copy all at once as well. This is our podcast outlines, segment 1, segment 2, outro, and listener takeaways. Same for this, you can download or regenerate it or copy it. And these are Pinterest pins. This is created pin title, this is pin description and suggested board as well, and these are the overlays suggestions. So we are going to generate image for this. In meantime, this image is being generated. We can go to our next tab, which is Instagram carousel scripts. So this is hook, value 1, value 2, 3, 4, summary, and at the end CTA. We can also generate images for each of these cards. So our previous image have been generated. So let's click on value and check out the latest image which is generated by Pinterest. Okay, so this is our image. We can also download this image and we can view this image here as well. So check out the quality of the image. We are using latest Nano Banana API, which is the most advanced image generation tool at the time. Okay, now get back to our tab and check what Instagram carousel scripts. This is what it has generated. You can generate images for all of them at once as well from here, or you can click on each of them manually. So while image is being generated, let's go back to our fifth one. This is blog summary. These are the key takeaways. By the way, you can also generate these along with article, but if forget, then you can generate them from here as well. And finally, we have our email newsletter, which is what is vibe coding, and it is showing in email professional email format with like you can see subject, preview text, and you can see all the body text here as well. And yes, you can download it or regenerate it, and it is also integrating links, because these links were in article, that's why these links are showing here as well. So this is a quality and precision of our tool, and this is how you can generate these. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you understand everything about Content Repurposing Hub. Keep enjoying, keep sharing, keep supporting WriterGPT. Goodbye.